Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, I want to start by that shot. That's a beautiful shot we've got out there this evening. Clear skies. Going to be another chilly night, but the thing is, even though our weather is improving, the weather is going to be going downhill in the northeast. Now, I show you this because we've been tracking this hurricane for a very long time. This thing's huge. It was a Category 5. It's now a high end 2. When you take the outer bands of rain with it on either side, it's more than 908 miles long. And when you compare that, that'd be like from Lafayette all the way down to nearly the central Gulf of Mexico. That's how big Hurricane Lee is. So even if it makes landfall as a 2 or a 1, let's say, eastern Maine or New Brunswick, it's got such a massive wind field and massive rain shield, and it's so big it's going to have such a storm surge. This is going to be kind of devastating for parts of the Northeast. Remember, Idalia was very compact and very small. It was a Category 3, but it was much smaller and only impacted a small area as it moved in. And this is much, much bigger, so it may be weaker than Idalia when it makes landfall, but it's huge in size. But it's certainly intense right now. It'll likely increase in strength. It'll probably go back to a 3 or 4 for a time, and then go back to the 2 before it makes landfall here around Maine or New Brunswick. But the thing is, like I said, because it's so large, the tropical storm force gusts will be as far west as Vermont and eastern Long Island, and the hurricane force gusts will be coastal Mass as far west as New Hampshire and then across the state of Maine. For us, though, what's guiding it is, one, the little trough that swung through today, and it'll be a trough that swings through Saturday night as well. But ahead of it, the weather's still good. Like tomorrow, it's a 73-degree high. We got the sun, a few clouds, some fog in the morning that may be dense in places. And there are your highs tomorrow afternoon at 70 to 76. Really nice on Friday. 75 for the high after the fog in the morning, and chilly weather once again. Again, sunshine and some fair weather cumulus clouds. 77 at Petersburg, about 78 Covington, 75 Fowler up to Rensselaer, and 74 at Flora and Burlington. So tonight you can see the areas of fog in the gray here that the model is picking up. And then it's picking up the fair weather cumulus bubbling up tomorrow afternoon. There's 4:30. On Friday, it picks up the fair weather cumulus bubbling up in the heating of the afternoon as well. Looks like a great night for the frenzy, a great day for the Purdue game on Saturday, but at least a few showers, thunder showers here and there will impact the area Saturday night and Sunday. There goes Hurricane Lee, and then we have some pretty nice weather getting into next week. However, we'll likely have the remnants of some tropical system making it into Mexico. The tropical moisture will move northward, and very heavy rain in the plains, severe weather from Texas to Manitoba. Some of these areas will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain, and we're going to get in on some of that moisture. So a week from this Saturday, our odds of showers and storms going way up. 75 on Friday, 79 Saturday, 75 Sunday, some scattered rain. Monday looks good, 74, but then we warm up pretty nicely. Low 80s Wednesday, mid 80s by the end of next week, and it becomes humid, and we could get quite a bit of rainfall from this and storm action by next Saturday, with highs running in the 70s.